Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to withdraw TRX from Tangem wallet to Bitmart in 2025. If you're holding TRX and want to move it to Bitmart for trading or storage, this step-by-step guide will make it simple and secure. Whether you're a beginner or have some experience, I'll walk you through everything you need to know. First things first, why do this? Bitmart offers great trading options, and withdrawing from Tangem ensures your assets stay safe during the transfer. But remember, always double-check details to avoid any mishaps in the volatile crypto world. Let's get started. Step 1. Make sure you have the Tangem Wallet app installed on your device and your wallet is set up with your TRX funds. If you haven't already, download it from the official App Store and create or import your wallet. Step 2. Open the Tangem app and log in using your secure PIN or biometric authentication. Navigate to your TRX balance, it's usually under the Assets or Wallet section. Step 3. Select the TRX you want to withdraw. Tap on the Send or Withdraw button, which might be represented by an arrow icon. Step 4. Enter the recipient address. This is crucial. Copy your Bitmart TRX deposit address directly from the Bitmart app or website to avoid errors. Bitmart uses the Tron network, so ensure you're on the correct blockchain. Step 5. Specify the amount of TRX to send. Don't forget to check the network fees. They can vary, so aim for a balance to keep costs low. Review the transaction details carefully. Step 6. Confirm the transaction. You'll need to approve it with your wallet's security features, like a signature or PIN. Once done, sit back and wait for the blockchain to process it. Tron transactions are usually fast, but it might take a few minutes. Step 7. Head over to Bitmart and check your account. Your TRX should appear in your Bitmart wallet shortly. If it doesn't, verify the transaction on a blockchain explorer like TronScan. A quick tip. Always use official apps and enable two-factor authentication on both Tangem and Bitmart to protect your funds. There you have it. That's how you withdraw TRX from Tangem to Bitmart in 2025. Crypto can be thrilling, but stay cautious. If this helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.